Hey guys, this is an introduction to tertiary colors, tints, and shades. Did you know that there is actually a lot of science in colors? Let's start off with a little background knowledge, some stuff you already know. There are three primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. These are the colors that make up every other color. When you mix equal parts of two primary colors, you get a secondary color. For example, when you mix red and yellow, you get orange. Orange, purple, also known as violet, and green are the secondary colors. If you put these colors in color order, so the secondary colors are between the primary colors that they are made from, then you have a basic color wheel. Simple so far, right? Alright, now that you have some background knowledge, let's take things to the next level. We already know that when you mix two primary colors, you get a secondary color. But there are other colors that can be made from color mixing. When you mix a primary color with a secondary color that it is next to on the color wheel, that mixture makes a tertiary color. So for example, if you mix the primary color red with the secondary color orange, you get the tertiary color red-orange. If you add these tertiary colors to your color wheel, they go right between the primary and secondary colors that they are made from. This gives you 12 regular colors, which are also called hues, on your color wheel. Let's move on to lights and darks now. If you want to make a regular color or hue darker, you just add black. A hue plus black is called a shade. A color can have lots of different shades. It just depends on how much black you add. Making a color lighter works the same way. If you want to make a color lighter, you just add white. A hue mixed with white is called a tint. Just like shades, you can have lots of different tints depending on how much white you choose to add. So, for each hue you have in your color wheel, you will also have a tint and a shade. Usually, in a traditional color wheel with tints and shades, you have the shade on one side of the hue it comes from and the tint on the other side. So either tints on the very inner circle, then hues, then shades around the outside, or the reverse, with the shades on the inside of the color wheel, then hues around them, then tints on the very outside of the circle. Either way works. Did you have any idea there were so many details when it comes to color mixing? It's worth knowing though, because what would our world be without colors?